getting a wig put on her.
Yeah.
Oh, this is gonna be a surprise thing.
It looks like she's been like that for a while, you know, like with no hair.
Yeah, I guess this is going to be a surprise for her,
Yeah.
seeing herself with hair.
Yeah, it looks
Oh,
like
this is so heartwarming.
Oh, they're making her feel so comfortable. I like that.
Oh wow, yeah.
She looks pretty.
It looks so natural on her as well.
Yeah, I like these waves in the front.
It shows just how much appearance can do.
Yeah, like it's kind of crazy. Like it's just hair, you know, but it definitely makes her look. I mean, she's pretty without as well, right? But it does definitely gives a different appearance.
Damn, the hair looks very good.
I know. I like the color. It really fits her face.
For sure.
She's so pretty, and everyone is like so supportive. I love it.
A wig can look that good. I'm not scared of losing hair anymore.
I know, right? You can always
use a wig, right?
I mean, duh. I agree with you. Yeah.